controls for your hot water are found next to the control panel above the large slide door. In order to operate the controls, you'll need to have the main control panel turned on. The water is heated using gas, so make sure you have the gas bottle turned on. Start by pressing the flame symbol to turn on. The light will turn blue. The plus and minus buttons control the temperature, and there are two options. The first option is 40 degrees, which is ideal for washing up or general washing. The second option is 60 degrees, ideal if planning on using the shower, so you can mix it with the cold water, giving yourself a larger volume of warm water. After a few seconds of your temperature being selected, the light will turn orange to signify it is now on. To turn off, push the flame symbol again until the light goes out.